Good afternoon, traders. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading satellite office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, January the 11th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. Want to first off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading here. The Dow Jones is up 7 points. The comp is down 2 1/4. The Russell, the RUT is down 2 1/4. The S&P is down about $1.75. Taking a look at the SPY. SPY is down 18 cents. IWM is down 23 cents. Triple Qs are down 4 cents. Commodities are down across the board today, man. This whole commodity sector is just trading wild every day. You never get any consistent days with the commodities now. It's pretty volatile. As far as the market goes, another slow day today, guys. Doesn't really seem like anybody's doing much of anything. The selling pressure that comes in looks to be muted or controlled selling pressure, I guess you could say. And that's how it's been feeling the past couple of days. We're still holding these little higher base levels that we had from last week, Wednesday's gap up. If we take a look at the ES on the right, on the left-hand side, you have your 15-minute chart. We're holding above that range. This morning, I told the guys in our trading room, mywallstreettv.com, to log in. The password is SMART. I told our guys in the room to wait for a pullback down towards a 1462 level to look for a bounce. That bounce comes off the little consolidation that we had before we broke out in the last part of the day there yesterday. And now we got a nice little bounce off that level, which also coincided with the rising 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart. So that was a perfect call out that we had in the room. A lot of our traders were able to profit off that scalp. And now we're just waiting for the market to see what it wants to do right now. As far as stock specific goes, not much action going on. I like this BBY, Best Buy, has a nice little bull flag setting up on the 60-minute chart. If it could break above 13.75 and hold, this thing could go back up towards the highs of the day, which is 13.95, then possibly break up towards above 14. So I'm watching that one. That one's looking all right. Let's see here. Baidu strong today still. Cena strong today again. Amazon's showing some little buying pressure this morning here. Apple's trading lower to sideways. Wells Fargo holding that previous day's lows above the opening price, that little 35 area. INFY was a little gap. That one's doing nothing. Monster gap. I really don't like to pay attention to the monster gaps. JCPenney gap down, popped it up, fading back down towards the lows. Aside from that, not much. We called potash to the short side once it broke down at that little bear flag on the 15-minute chart that you can see. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other indices here. All right, take a look at the SPY. SPY is this nice little upward channel that it's been in for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And that just gave us more conviction why it was just better off to wait for a little fade and then try to get long involved. You can see here this is the same range that I was talking about on the ES, which lined up with 146.60 on the SPY. At the same time, it didn't really make sense to go get long right on the open. That's why we didn't have no market open and go type of action, because we're near the top of the channel. So if you think about it, getting long right here, your reward is right here, 30 cents away, 20 cents away tops, and your risk is all the way down here towards the bottom of the channel. So it just made sense to bring the market in. That trade worked out perfectly, so we were able to give our followers that follow us in the room and our members a nice little scalp off the ES, off the S&P right there. If we take a look at the IWM still holding around this 87.10 level. Not much action here as well. Same thing, sold off, trading sideways. Take a look at the triple Qs. Not much action in the triple Qs there, as we had a little down move to sideways action, and now we're just kind of bounced off the rising 20-day moving average, exponential moving average on the 15, and pretty much nothing going on there as well. So we take a look at some stocks here real quick. I'm moving through this kind of fast. Bear with me. Again, Best Buy, BBBY, was one of the stocks that we told our, everybody to watch in the chat room. Said look for a Bible pullback towards the 1250 level. Well, that didn't happen. We did have some pre-market highs, resistance 1 around 1313, resistance 2 around 1350, resistance 3 around 1375, and this one worked out pretty well in our live chat room. And now we're looking to try to get involved in it on a pullback somewhere around this, well, not even a pullback. We're waiting for it to hold this nice little high base that it's forming right now, and looking to see if we could break out of this little possible bull flag that's shaping up on the 60-minute chart, which is making higher lows, higher lows. So this is a nice little tight bar. And if we do break out, you could most likely use 1460 as a stop as that level. Every time we break below 1460, buyers have been coming in. So we'll see how it sets up. Make sure you come check out our chat room, mywallstreettv.com. Password to log in is SMART. Whether you trade options, futures, or equities, we do it all over there. And make sure you check out the website, wallstreettrading.com. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary. Check us out Sunday night at 9:30 p.m. in the chat room for our live chart session, and be on the lookout for the weekend review video, which goes over everything. Have a great day, guys, and good trading. Cheers.